Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and confirming basics. Charge the headphones 30 to 60 minutes with the original cable so battery resets. Once done, visually inspect ear pads, headband, and the charging port for lint or corrosion because physical issues often mimic electronics failure. Next, power on and note the LED color and voice prompts. They tell you whether the unit is in pairing mode, fully charged, or needs a reset. If pairing fails, move to targeted resets and firmware checks. You now perform deeper fixes. Do a factory reset by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds to clear Bluetooth cache and settings. This often fixes software hangs. Then make your phone forget the device and repair it. That forces a fresh handshake and clears mismatched profiles. After pairing, open the Beats or device Bluetooth settings to check firmware. Updates fix audio dropouts and ANC issues. If an update exists, install it and retest playback and ANC behavior. You finish by isolating remaining problems. Test audio across 2 devices and wired mode to determine if it's app-related or hardware. If noise canceling misbehaves, clean battery and contact points gently with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab and let fully dry. Dirt can interrupt sensors. Once done, calibrate the battery by charging to 100% and letting it discharge to shutdown, then charge again. If issues persist after these steps, contact Beats support. They can advise service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.